Hello, Linda. Miss Biddy Boo Brown and a few other the ladies want to get to know you. Say hello. 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 Say hello. You got nothing. You got not much. Okay, there you go. Let them know. Let the world know. It's your turn. Here's your 15 minutes. You want to be mean? Let them know what happens when I get too close to the cage. Ah! Laugh, Linda. Oh, you funny, huh? Besito? Besito, besito? Kisses, kisses? Thank you. Want to give some kisses? All right, let's come up here. Come. Come on. Hello. Hello. See, you heard her say hello? Hello. Say hello. Hello. No, no biting. Hello. Hey, that's the only word she says so softly, the hello. Hello. What you got in there? Hello. What's going on, Linda? Am I bothering you? Hello. They want to hear you say other things. You don't know what to say? Oh, you're saying a whole bunch of little thingies? Yeah, what's going on in there? What's going on? You want to laugh for everyone? There you go. There you go, girl. Oh my goodness. That's so funny. We love Linda. Any other words you want to say, Linda? Don't be mean. You're being mean. Don't be mean. What? I call that her alien talk. See? Alien talk? Alien talk? You doing the alien talk? You want to say goodbye? Bye. Say goodbye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. You want to be mean? Go ahead, get it. Get the camera. Ah! Get the camera, girl. Get it. Ataca de Linda. And show everybody your lopsided swing. Ooh, you want to bite mommy. You want to bite mama. You're so mean. You're so mean. You want to bite me. She want to bite me. You want to see her bite me? Piojito? Come on. Piojito? That's the only time I can touch her. When she lets go, I run. Because she bites. She's not nice to women. She likes only my husband. You almost got me. I got scared. She almost got me. See? She's mean. Come on. There you go. You gonna get me, Linda? Show everybody your toys. Your upside down swing. She loves to put her swing upside down. And I cannot get it. Okay, here we go. Making some leeway. There we go. Woo. She got everything all mixed. She likes to twist everything around. And then she want to bite me. She has a mirror back there. Ooh, where you going, girl? There's that alien talk of hers. Are you talking like an alien, girl? She doesn't like this new toy much. I push it aside. What happened, Linda? All that alien talk. Who are you communicating with? Take me to your leader, Linda. Linda, you have any last words? Bye. Goodbye. Ah! She's so bad. Say bye, Linda. Yes, that's your swing. Say bye. No, hello. Say goodbye. Bye. Besito. Give everyone kisses. Hello. Hello. Kisses, besito. Thank you. Thank you, baby. Hello. Hello. You're a pretty girl. Hello. Bye, Linda. Bye. Want to bite me one last time? Ooh, thank you. Only time I'll touch her. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Bye. Say goodbye. Adios. Arrivederci. Sayonara.